Hello, Prime Minister Trudeau. My name is Craig Kindree Gross, and as you may be well aware, my team and I have been commissioned by the Canadian government to render a royal proclamation, and with it, a wampum belt design as part of an effort to further the national project of reconciliation. My video to you today serves as a briefing of the wampum belt design along with its symbols, and also a reminder of some of the pertinent challenges that Canada should be considering and seeking to address as part of the reconciliation process. Now, to begin, I would like you to take a look at the proposed wampum belt design that we sent you last week for review. As you can see, Prime Minister, the wampum belt includes multiple elements which are all significant, from the color of the belt itself to the 5 distinct symbols we've chosen to include. Now, for a little bit of historical context, the wampum belt has existed for hundreds of years as a legal instrument to record treaties and agreements, especially between Indigenous nations and colonial governments. As such, we chose the colors of the belt to pay respects to the wampum belt's legal history and its legal significance. White and purple being the colors of the shells that were traditionally used to make these belts. Now, on to our first symbol on the wampum belt, and that is the grizzly bear paw all the way on the far left of the belt. Now, the grizzly bear paw is a symbol that is imported and takes inspiration from a landmark Supreme Court of Canada case regarding the Ktunaxa Nation and their belief in the grizzly bear spirit. If you recall, in that case, the Supreme Court of Canada failed to recognize and acknowledge the importance of the Ktunaxa Nation's spiritual belief, and thus the court did not extend protection to their land when they were clearly entitled that protection. As a symbol, the grizzly bear paw represents Canada's commitment to acknowledging Indigenous beliefs going forward, and this acknowledgement has to be on the same level as any other religious or spiritual belief. And this acknowledgement also includes adopting Indigenous spiritual beliefs, taking that into consideration when making any decisions regarding land-related endeavors. The 5 symbols depicted on the Wampum Belt represent but a few of the pertinent issues that Canada must address and rectify in order to begin advancing the process of reconciliation. Being in the form of a Wampum Belt, Canada's statement is that the nation is agreeing to carry out the promises and commitments within the binding framework of Indigenous law. My team and I are confident that if Canada follows through with all that is proposed within the Wampum Belt, the nation will be making great strides towards reconciliation. With that, I hope that you learned something tonight, Prime Minister, and I hope that you can take some of this knowledge and use it to expand your perspective in the future. Thank you very much.